Hi YouTube, it's Friday afternoon now.
Morning.
What time? Morning still. We are leaving Kingston and we are going to Portland. Going on adventure.
Yeah, we're stopping in Strawberry Fields. We're going to do a hike. We're going to take you guys on the journey.
With us, Alona in the background,
And
Alexei. We just got them patties. Wow. You like your patties? Delicious. And we'll show you more. Here we are in Kingston. Leaving Kingston. Kingston traffic. Friday morning. What all this traffic? See you soon.
So yes, we are here at our destination. Where you can see me. Where are we at?
Strawberry Fields.
Strawberry Fields.
Strawberry Fields.
Alona, how are you feeling?
Forever. This is
How you like it?
beautiful.
Yeah.
I absolutely love it.
You would live here?
I would live in this kibbutz.
This kibbutz?
Yeah.
It's not a kibbutz.
This is the kibbutz we like.
Yeah? You think you're in Israel or kibbutz? There's no kibbutz in Jamaica.
Much nicer.
So the hike has started. I am sweating like crazy. What say you? Hot, eh?
Hot, yeah.
Yeah. So we're walking to our waterfalls.
Yes.
And
Strawberry field.
we are in Strawberry Fields and we're walking to, I think the falls is called Kwame Falls. So when we get to the falls, we'll show you guys, but we'll show you guys a little more on the journey. Yeah, definitely we'll show you some more on the journey stuff. Alright, so we have a tour guide. Can't really see him now, and that's Miss Rankins right there. Alright. They are doing a bush. Oh my gosh, we're in the jungle. We are in the jungle. And we hear a Kelev barking. Now, Kelev in Hebrew is dog. Well, no, Kelev in English is dog. Kelev is... Oh, look at this spider. Damn, this one is even bigger. A spider. Let's look at this.
Alexei,
Take a picture. Yeah, turn your back.
זה מראה שאני באוויר?
Yeah. So come talk to me. Tell me what the camping. How the camping go?
Well, the camping right here, so right now we just come in and we charge you for the spot and the tent them. We prepare for you anything you want, like food or anything. You see me? Yeah, we do adventure tour, we hunt. But we hunt and find, we prepare same way and make it adventurous.
Yeah.
Hunting at the night, crayfish, we hunt crab, we hunt, you know what I mean? So we do all different type of hunting. Party in at the night with bonfire, them roast them marshmallow, you know what I say?
Alright, for people who interested, you want shout out your number so they come
Yes,
and
if
call.
you're all interested in some camping, here's my contact number to contact me. We'll go 1-876-801-4627. That's Jamaica.
Jamin, alright. So you can call that number, do the tour to the waterfalls.
You can just
You link up
contact.
Jamin, alright.
So did you show them? Show them where?
So this is the campsite right here. Yeah?
Wow.
Imale. Beautiful.
באמת יפה.
באמת יפה. Wow. Rankins, what you think?
Very pretty. Wow.
Wow. So I think we're going down in the middle right there, right? Yeah. We're crossing the first river on the journey. Yep, the first river.
Water nice and cool.
Oh, let's feel this water. Oh, oh, it's cold. It's refreshing though because we've been walking, so oh, look how nice the water is right here. Hear that? What do you hear?
Waterfall.
We're finally there.
Oh, come on, come on. Come on, come on.
Oh, oh, wow. Oh, can you see that? Ooh. Ooh. She's so nervous. I'm telling them you're nervous.
Oh, wow.
Look how you're sweating.
Yeah, I was frightened. Show 'em.
Yeah, they saw the path. They saw the path.
Yeah, I needed help. But look.
You want to go inside?
From here?
Yeah, right here, anywhere. You gonna go in the thing? Unfortunately, we are heading back. Hankins, how was it? It was nice. Yeah. The route back is more treacherous than the route going. Hankins. So you're eating some coconut. Alona? Drinking some coconut. Some little fruits after the hike. Alona, your friend, come. Jelly. Crew is here. About to check in right now. Yeah. No food. And look on my plate. Oh, oh, oh. Alona has no food.
Absolutely.
You hungry?
I'm starving.
You starving?
I'm a cop come. Beautiful. A video this. Wow. Paradise is here.
That's it.
Paradise is here. Right here.
What's up? Yeah, man, what's up?
I speak Arabic.
Yeah, man,
Happy
same
New
to you.
Year. Happy New Year.
Yeah, man. We're at
Dunn's River Falls.
yeah, we're at Dunn's River Falls.
We go stand in line.
Uh-huh.
And second time for me.
1 million time for me. Yep.
That 1 million. So yeah, I climb about here, halfway.
Rankies, you ready?
Okay.
You ready? For the YouTube.
2023, here we go.
2023. Turn around. Let me go in front of you.